Okay, hi guys. So we're going to make some really super healthy nachos. So I'm going to use ground turkey, nutritional yeast flakes, that gives you your cheese flavor, cayenne pepper, which is optional. We like spicy food around here, so I'm going to use that. Greek yogurt. I've got some medium chunky salsa. Any salsa is good. Some salt, onion powder, chili powder. This is what makes up your taco seasoning. Or you can use taco seasoning, or you can use all these individual ingredients. So it's chili powder, onion powder, cumin, oregano, garlic powder, paprika. This is smoked paprika, by the way, and regular black pepper. Okay, so first we're going to cook your meat up. Turn the fire on. Let's let the pot heat up, and then I'm going to put a little drop of oil in it, and then I'll put the turkey in there, okay? Okay, so turkey being a very dry, low-fat meat, probably put about a tablespoon of olive oil in here, and I have the fire on medium. Put that in. So you're going to let this cook just like ground beef, but there won't be any fat coming off of it, which is another healthy option. You could do this with ground. Alright, so I'm going to start putting my seasonings on here. If you were cooking ground beef, I would cook the meat and then drain off the fat before I put the seasoning on. But since this is turkey and there's not going to be any fat, I'm going to start adding in the seasoning so they can cook into the meat, okay? So I'm going to put a bit of salt, not much, because that salsa is going to have salt in it. Alright, so you want chili powder. Very liberal with that. Onion powder. Cumin. Cumin's a spice you don't need a lot of because it's got a very strong taste to it. So that's just a little bit of that. Smoked paprika. And this is a brand new container. Not that much. I don't measure things, so I basically just eyeball stuff according to what your taste buds are. We like garlic, so quite a bit of garlic. Oregano gives it a very nice flavor. Alright, some black pepper. And some cayenne pepper. Stir the pot. I have olive oil in here. I want all these seasonings to cook through the meat. Get on every morsel and make it tasty. Okay, so I'm going to cover this, let it simmer for about 15 minutes, and I've got the fire on low on my electric stove, okay? Okay, so you do want to stir this as it's cooking, which is what I'm doing. Alright, so let me taste it. Yummy. Let's taste a drop more. Okay, I'm going to put a bit more salt in it. It's been about 2 minutes. Okay, there's your finished product. I did end up putting about 3 more tablespoons of nutritional yeast in there to make it cheesier. So now I'm going to fix the bowl. Just put your, I've got these white round tortilla chips. Well, whatever type of chips you like. Just going to put a sauce mix over the chips. And guys, this is so delicious, so tasty, and healthy. This is what I like the best, because I don't want to sacrifice taste for health, but it tastes really good. Bring this closer so you can see what it looks like.